Alright, so I like to get all of my mechanical work done before I do my final sand and ready for paint. So it looked like we got a ding here. It was a little low in this area, a few spots, but that's no big deal. The mirror would have hit it, but I just want it all right and flush. Then right between here I had a little bit. It was another ding right there, and then this edge was kind of low. So I'm getting this 64 Riviera ready for the final sand. I prime it one more time, and then I'll come through after I prime it again, and then come through with the final sand, and then she'll be ready to paint the lower half of the 64 here. So alright, so then this is just like my final cut on here with 150. And all I'm doing is trying to knock this all down where I'll be able to see is there any low spots on here. Here, where it's kind of rounded and towards the bottom, I come in with that hookage system. So I'm using 120 on this guy, so I got a little round block, and with the 150, I mean, not 120, the 150, I just want to roll and I'm rolling this. I'm not sanding straight across, I'm rolling this block up one way and the X pattern down the other way. So see that? Once I see all of that overspray and it's smooth, then I know I'm right where I need to be. And yeah, I'm doing all of this, and then I come in one more time, spray this down one last time, and now I know that I'm checking for all my imperfections at this particular point, guys. So this will be the third prime that I'm doing on this car. And if you see, I'm breaking through in certain areas, guys. So even though, no, this will be the fourth prime on this car. So even though I'm putting all that prime on here, I'm just really getting this car flat. So I want this baby to be flat as a board. So I'm just coming in here. Trying to get all of this out. Yep. And it's coming out pretty good, guys. Look at that. It's coming out beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So then I come along here, guys, and on these along this line, I just want to have a nice clean cut right on that edge, guys. And just letting that roll off that edge without letting it bend over. Give me a nice clean cut on my edge here, guys. Alright, so I almost got this. I just gotta run a little body filler right in here. This line, I don't know if this was hit before Bink got the car or what, but this line just wasn't here. So I just gotta add just a little filler in there to get me a nice smooth line going all the way down to the bumper there. So that's almost done. I'm gonna quit for tonight. But these low spots that was in here, I got them filled in. I come through with the high build primer one last time, prime this down. I'll take a drill these holes out, and take a little file and open these holes up here, and I get this thing in prime one last time, and this 64 Riviera will be ready to shoot. So man, I'd be so glad when I get there. It's been a long time coming for this one, but not cutting no corners on it, guys, and it's turning out really, really good. All right.